Everyone, to today's session on Microsoft Lists. My name is Alison Hughes with the Evolve 365 team at Planet Technologies, and today we'll be exploring a fun and practical tip for using Microsoft Lists to stay organized. Let's start by accessing the Microsoft Lists application from the Microsoft 365 homepage. Select the app launcher from the top left and type in Lists. Then select the List application. Now, let's create a custom list for daily tasks. Click New List and choose Blank List. You can give it an optional brief description, choose a custom color, and a custom icon. When you're all set, select Create. Let's start by adding columns. The first column we'll add is a choice column named Priority with options like High, Medium, and Low. When you're all set, select Save. Next, let's add a column for Date. For some fun, try adding a choice column for mood with options like excited, motivated, neutral, or challenging. This can make your list more engaging. Let's start adding tasks and setting priorities and due dates. We have two options for adding tasks to list. We have a plus, add new button, or edit in grid view. Let's take a look at either option. When you're all set filling in the information, remember to select Save. Now let's take a look at editing in grid view. When you're all done in grid view, remember to select Exit Grid View. This will help save the information that you put into your list. You can also use filters and views to focus on high priority tasks or tasks even due this week. When you're all done with the filter, you can clear it out. And there you have it. Custom, fun, and practical list to manage your daily tasks with Microsoft Lists. Thanks for watching.